Assange's final UK extradition appeal. Critical February hearing. In a significant development, the dates for Julian Assange's final British appeal against extradition to the US have been confirmed for February 20th and 21. This marks the last recourse within the British legal system for the WikiLeaks publisher, putting him on the brink of facing trial in a secret national security court with charges under the Espionage Act, carrying a staggering 175-year maximum sentence. Perilous detention and worsening health. As revealed shortly before Christmas, this hearing will be the fifth spent by Assange behind bars in the high-security Belmarsh Prison. During this prolonged detention, primarily aimed at facilitating the U.S. extradition request, concerns about Assange's deteriorating health have been raised by his supporters. His wife, Stella Assange, emphasized the toll the last 4.5 years have taken on Julian and their family. Legal battle overview. The hearing will be conducted by a panel of 2 High Court judges, reviewing a previous decision denying Assange permission to appeal, released on June 6th. If the judges find in Assange's favor, it would only grant permission for a full appeal hearing in the future, not immediate freedom. Limited avenues and uncertain European appeal. If the High Court panel upholds the previous rejection, Assange's options within the British legal system will be exhausted. While there is an application to appeal before the European Court of Human Rights, it remains unclear whether Britain would accept its jurisdiction in the case. Swift dismissal and substantive grounds. Justice. Sir Jonathan Swift, in his June 6th ruling, asserted that there was no point of law on which Assange could appeal. His lawyers sought to appeal on substantive grounds, arguing that Assange is targeted for his political opinions and protected speech. They also claimed misrepresentation of facts by the U.S. to the British courts and an abuse of the extradition process. Ramifications and call for press protection. WikiLeaks editor-in-chief Kristin Hrafnsson emphasized the importance of press protection, declaring Assange's case as a landmark moment. The UK faces a crucial decision on whether to be a haven for free press or complicit in undermining a core democratic value. U.S. extradition and dirty tricks. The U.S. seeks Assange's extradition explicitly to prosecute him under draconian national security legislation for his journalistic activities. The publications in question exposed historic war crimes, including mass killings and unlawful detentions, ongoing exposures and legal action, evidence of illegal U.S. spying on Assange, plans to kidnap or assassinate him, and a dirty tricks operation have emerged during the hearings. A group of American citizens, including journalists, has initiated court action against the U.S. government for illegal spying. Recent documents also reveal U.S. monitoring of pro-Assange protests in Australia in 2010. Global conflict and Assange's fate. Assange's fate intertwines with the global conflict, particularly the U.S. war drive against China and proxy wars in Ukraine and Gaza. His situation underscores the need for the mobilization of the working class into an international anti-war movement.